In 1932, men built skyscrapers on sandwiches that cost a nickel, with muscles built from hard labor instead of processed protein powders. They did not have expensive whey isolates or modern chemical supplements, yet they possessed a rugged physical endurance that doctors today absolutely envy. Their secret was not superior genetics, but rather a humble 25-cent morning ritual that we have foolishly replaced with heavily marketed synthetic garbage. And now, modern clinical researchers confirm this Depression-era staple actually rebuilds aging muscle tissue far faster than expensive laboratory formulas. Before we begin, tell us in the comments what your parents or grandparents ate for breakfast to stay strong during those difficult times. We are reading and replying to every single comment with personalized tips for your unique situation. Now, let us go back in time to permanently fix your health. Starting with number 4. Number 4, the original shake, the dried skim milk powder. In the 1950s, physical culturalists did not have access to modern nutrition stores, so they relied on basic pantry staples to survive heavy training. They would mix cheap, dry milk into regular liquid milk to create a thick, dense base that built massive strength and durability. We now understand that this clever traditional practice was secretly flooding their bodies with highly concentrated casein protein. Researchers at the Maastricht University Medical Center in 2012 found that consuming this specific slow-digesting protein before sleep significantly improves overnight post-exercise recovery. Seniors, this is absolutely critical for the survival of your aging body. When you sleep, you naturally enter a fasting state that forces your system to break down precious muscle tissue for baseline energy. Dried skim milk actively prevents this catabolic wasting because it reacts with your natural stomach acid to form a slow-dissolving nutritional gel. This heavy gel releases a steady, continuous drip of repairing amino acids into your bloodstream for 6 to 8 hours. You are essentially feeding and rebuilding your muscles while you are completely unconscious in your bed. Most modern protein shakes digest far too quickly and leave you completely unprotected during the most important biological hours of recovery. Casein provides the structural components your body desperately needs to repair daily cellular damage. As you age past 60, your natural ability to synthesize protein plummets dramatically. This phenomenon is known as anabolic resistance, which is a dangerous condition that slowly destroys your daily mobility. You need a constant supply of raw nutrients to overcome this biological hurdle. Dried skim milk delivers this continuous feed without the exorbitant financial cost of modern overnight supplements. It is simply concentrated dairy protein with all the water and fat completely removed. This means you get pure muscle fuel for literally pennies a serving. Start by purchasing a standard box of non-fat dry milk powder from your local baking aisle. Take 3 full tablespoons of the fine powder and vigorously stir it into 1 cup of regular milk or warm water. Drink this exact mixture about 30 minutes before you go to bed. The natural calcium inside the milk will also calm your nervous system and help you fall asleep much faster. You will wake up feeling physically firmer and noticeably less sore from the previous day of activity. Before we continue, smash that like button and subscribe right now. Don't miss the life-changing tips still ahead. Number 3. The metabolic engine, brewer's yeast powder. Long before multivitamins existed, Early athletes would swallow spoonfuls of a horribly bitter byproduct from beer breweries to maintain their stamina. It was the absolute cheapest source of raw energy available to the working class during the early 20th century. Today, we realize this strange powder was actually solving a massive metabolic crisis that plagues modern seniors. The United States Department of Agriculture Human Nutrition Research Center in 1997 demonstrated that the specific trace minerals found in this yeast powerfully influence the glucose and insulin system. Seniors, you might be eating plenty of protein, but your aging digestive tract is likely failing to absorb it. This is a condition called type B malnutrition, which is a dangerous state where you consume enough calories but starve on a microscopic level. As stomach acid declines with age, your ability to extract vital micronutrients completely crashes. Brewer's yeast steps in as a highly bioavailable dose of vitamin B6, which is the exact biological coenzyme required for amino acid metabolism. Without adequate B6 circulating in your system, your body simply cannot convert dietary protein into actual thigh or bicep muscle. You are essentially eating expensive food and flushing the incredible benefits straight down the drain. But here is the shocking part. Brewer's yeast is one of the richest natural sources of chromium on the entire planet. Chromium is a critical trace mineral that acts like a key to unlock your muscle cells. It radically improves your insulin sensitivity, ensuring that the carbohydrates you eat are pushed directly into the muscle tissue for energy, rather than being stored as visceral belly fat. When your insulin responds properly, your entire metabolic engine runs hotter, cleaner, and faster. This stops the age-related energy drop that leaves you completely exhausted by 2 in the afternoon. The B vitamins work synergistically with the chromium to ignite a cellular furnace that burns fuel with incredible efficiency. You must be very specific when purchasing this item at the health food store. Buy pure unflavored brewer's yeast powder and completely avoid nutritional yeast, which is a different product entirely. The taste is incredibly bitter, so you must hide it inside your meals. Start by mixing 1 single teaspoon of the powder into a bowl of oatmeal or a strongly flavored soup once a day. After a full week, you can safely increase the dose to a full tablespoon. Within 14 days, you will feel a massive surge in your daily stamina as your cells finally receive the spark plugs they need to function. Now get ready, because this next one is even more powerful for the structural integrity of your body. Number 2, the joint glue, unflavored gelatin powder. Decades before expensive collagen peptides flooded the market, 1950s physical culturalists protected their joints from heavy lifting by dissolving standard baking gelatin in warm water. It was a common pantry staple used for making desserts, but these men treated it like crucial medicine for their aching knees and shoulders. We now know that they were effectively drinking the raw building blocks of human cartilage. Researchers at the Penn State University Department of Nutrition in 2008 published a massive review showing that this specific compound directly treats osteoarthritis and severe joint disorders. Seniors, preserving your muscle mass is completely impossible if daily movement causes you agonizing pain. As you grow older, your body experiences a severe drop in its natural collagen production. This biological decline leads directly to brittle tendons, thinning cartilage, and stiff joints that loudly pop when you walk. Gelatin is simply boiled down collagen, and it is packed tightly with two crucial amino acids called glycine and proline. Clinical data proves that consuming these specific amino acids provides your body with the exact raw material needed to rebuild degraded cartilage. It literally lubricates the internal hinges of your body so you can move without painful restriction. Now here is where it gets interesting. Glycine, which is the primary amino acid contained in this powder, also functions as a powerful calming neurotransmitter in your brain. It actively lowers your core body temperature and dramatically improves your ability to achieve deep sleep. This specific phase of deep sleep is exactly when your brain releases human growth hormone, which is the vital chemical responsible for all tissue repair. By consuming cheap gelatin, you are fixing your joints and forcing your brain to heal your muscles simultaneously. You get a profound structural repair system for less than 10 cents a serving. Go to any standard grocery store and buy a classic box of plain unflavored gelatin. Empty one small packet, which contains about 1 tablespoon of powder, directly into a mug. Add 2 ounces of cold water to let the powder expand, and then fill the rest of the mug with hot water to dissolve it completely. Drink this clear liquid exactly 45 minutes before your normal bedtime. The glycine will put you into a deep sleep, and the proline will spend the night rebuilding your worn-out knee cartilage. You will step out of bed the next morning feeling significantly looser and much more stable. But wait until you see number 1, because it tackles the absolute biggest hidden cause of senior weakness. Number 1, the anabolic capsule, desiccated liver powder. In the golden era of physical culture, athletes did not consume chemical pre-workout energy drinks. They swallowed handfuls of defatted beef liver pressed into simple tablets instead. It was the absolute holy grail of the muscle-building scene, used to sustain immense physical endurance during grueling workouts. Today, medical science recognizes that this foul-smelling powder is actually nature's most highly concentrated multivitamin. Researchers at the Pennsylvania State University Department of Nutritional Sciences in 2001 highlighted that iron depletion drastically reduces muscle function and overall physical performance. Seniors, the most dangerous threat to your independence is not a lack of protein, but a subtle internal starvation of oxygen. Millions of older adults suffer from low-grade anemia without ever realizing it is happening. This silent condition severely restricts the flow of oxygen to your muscle tissues, which causes premature fatigue, profound weakness, and eventual muscle wasting. Desiccated liver directly attacks this foundational problem because it contains massive amounts of highly absorbable heme-iron, vitamin A, and vitamin B12. Iron is the critical component needed for synthesizing myoglobin, which is the specific internal protein that traps and holds oxygen inside your muscle cells. When your myoglobin levels are fully saturated, your muscles can work harder, longer, and with much less perceived effort. Correcting this subtle nutritional deficiency reverses the unexplained exhaustion that forces so many seniors to sit down after performing minor chores. Desiccated liver provides the exact potent fuel your red blood cells need to transport life-giving oxygen everywhere in your aging body. Furthermore, the natural vitamin A found in beef liver supports rapid cellular repair and strengthens your immune response to physical stress. Synthetic pharmacy multivitamins simply cannot replicate the incredible biological synergy of these nutrients found in their natural animal form. This is the ultimate superfood for aging bodies, because it fully restores the raw physical stamina required to stay active and preserve your freedom. You do not have to cook or eat fresh liver to get these miraculous benefits. You can easily purchase high-quality desiccated liver capsules online or at any serious health food store. Start by taking just 2 capsules every morning with your breakfast to assess your personal digestive tolerance. After 1 week, increase the dosage to 4 capsules daily to properly maximize your blood oxygenation. You must take them early in the day because the natural B12 will give you a massive surge of clean energy that could keep you awake at night. Within 3 weeks, you will notice that climbing the stairs no longer leaves you gasping for air. Your muscles will feel full, your mind will feel sharp, and your body will finally have the endurance of a much younger person. The journey to reclaiming your youthful strength does not require expensive modern chemicals or complicated laboratory formulas. Your body is a miraculous biological machine that simply needs the raw ancestral materials it was designed to run on. By returning to the foundational nutritional wisdom of the past, you can completely rewrite the script of your aging process. Dried milk, brewer's yeast, unflavored gelatin, and desiccated liver are the forgotten historical tools that build unbreakable physical resilience. You have the absolute power to rebuild your degenerating muscles, lubricate your stiff joints, and flood your aging veins with unstoppable daily energy. Do not let anyone tell you that progressive weakness is just a normal, unavoidable part of getting older. You can step into tomorrow feeling significantly more vibrant, capable, and powerful than you have felt in several decades. Real food gives you natural nourishment that supports your strength, stability, and performance in ways processed powders simply cannot replicate. What counts is staying consistent and fueling your body with nutrients that work with you instead of against you. Now, we want to hear from you. Which of these 4 classic powerhouse foods are you going to add to your routine first? Do you remember your parents using any of these tricks when you were growing up? Share your experiences and opinions in the comments below, because we absolutely love reading them. Stay strong, keep moving, and we will see you in the next video, the next